Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I will show you a fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how this fingerprint sensor built into the power key works. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. So you don't have to press it, you can only touch it, just like that. But of course you can also make the same by using touch. As you can see, it's very fast, and definitely I can say that it's reliable, because for that tries it works every time. So as you can see, fingerprint sensor in this smartphone works really fast. I think it's slightly slower than in Xiaomi Mi 11, but it's also really good. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.